Are you tired of rummaging through cluttered cabinets for that one spice you swear you had? Today, I'm tackling the ultimate kitchen chaos: disorganized spices, with a spice rack makeover that will change the way you cook forever. Kitchens can quickly turn into stress zones, especially when your spices are scattered across cabinets, drawers, or countertops. We've all been there, digging for cumin and finding 3 containers of paprika instead. Or worse, realizing that your favorite seasoning expired years ago. This disorganization doesn't just create clutter. It wastes time, costs you money in duplicate purchases, and affects the flavor of your cooking. Plus, it's just plain frustrating. A well-organized spice rack isn't just about aesthetics, although it does make your kitchen look Pinterest perfect. It's about creating a system that saves you time, keeps your spices fresh, and enhances your cooking experience. Think about it. Every spice in its designated spot, no expired seasonings in sight, and no more spice roulette while you're trying to cook dinner. Sounds like a dream, right? Let's make it a reality. There are so many creative spice rack solutions out there to fit every kitchen size and style. Wall-mounted spice racks, perfect for saving cabinet space and adding a sleek, modern vibe. Drawer inserts, for those who prefer hidden organization with easy accessibility. Shut, pull-out shelves. Take spice organization to the next level with a system that keeps everything within reach. Let's look at the stunning transformation from a chaotic spice area to a beautifully organized spice rack. Gone is the clutter. Now, every spice has its own place, making it easier than ever to find what you need while cooking. Plus, you'll notice how much fresher your meals taste when you're using spices that are properly stored and not expired. Here are the key takeaways to help you create your dream spice rack. 1. Choose the right spice rack. Whether it's wall-mounted, drawer-inserted, or pull-out, find what works for your kitchen layout. 2. Purge expired spices. Out with the old to make room for the fresh and flavorful. 3. Organize your way. Alphabetically, by type, or by frequency of use. Pick the method that makes sense for you. I've added a link in the description to one of my favorite space-saving spice racks. Definitely check it out. What's your go-to spice organization hack? Drop your tips in the comments below. And if you loved this video, be sure to watch my other kitchen organization hacks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. Here's to turning our chaotic kitchens into organized oases, one spice at a time. See you in the next video!